Hello loves, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am going to share Diva's must-haves to get her through the holidays in the kitchen. First off, I'm going to start with my Mrs. Meyer's products. These products help me keep my kitchen sparkling. And the scent of this season that I am using is the peppermint. The next item is my KitchenAid mixer. I use this mixer for baking purposes as well as prep for food. Using an attachment, a chopping attachment. And I can't forget those busy weeknight meals. I use crock pots, guys. This smaller one, as well as this larger one. I picked both of them up from Target. Next, I cannot live without this cast iron pot made by Bella. This time of year, it is great to make soups and chili. It's a cool day or cool evening in Florida, and it's a nice time to have a pot of chili. And lastly, I love, for leftovers, these glass storage containers. I actually have a set, but this company reached out to me and they sent me, Zest Kit sent me a set to review, and it's a glass food storage container set. It has airtight blocking lids and free ice pack. Zest Kit portion control glass meal prep lunch containers. They are BPA free, oven, freezer, dishwasher, microwave safe. And that's what I love. This is a 20-piece kit. You have 6 square and 4 rectangular containers to store or reheat food in. These containers are great for meal prepping and storing leftovers from dinner or even parties. They keep your food fresh and flavorful. Just that easy. And guys, when I say I believe in this product here, trust me, I do. The link to this product through Amazon will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I enjoyed sharing some of my must-haves in my kitchen during the holidays. These are things that I really love. My kitchen is my space. I love being in my kitchen, and I love sharing things that aid me in my space. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to push that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click that notification bell. It will alert you to the new videos that I upload. You can follow me on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.